Hey YouTube, RC Carry here, back with another video, and I'm gonna be installing the traxxas 116 LED kits for the 116 Summit. So let's install it. So this is what comes in the bag: the power supply, some LEDs, and it's supposed to come with that thing right there that holds the LEDs, but I didn't notice that my kit didn't include that, so I guess I'm gonna have to improvise with, like, I'm gonna have to drill some holes here and fit the LEDs on the back. As if you can see, the LEDs actually fit in there, so I guess I'm gonna have to go to cheap style here. So let's install it. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to install is this power supply, whatever. So where you want to mount this is here, where you can fit another servo, like in this place right here. This is where we're gonna mount the power supply. So what you want to do is remove this little tab right here with these two screws. Okay, so once you take them off, you won't need them anymore. You won't need them because it won't fit very well with this, so it's gonna go like that. So now you have to screw everything back with these two screws right here. Okay, so once you put that there, now it's time to open the receiver box. Okay, so once you open all this up, you want to take this wire, fit it in here, like so. Take your receiver and plug it into channel 3, like so. And now you want to put all this back together. Okay, so once you put all this together, now it's time to mount the motor and the AC. Okay, so once everything's done, now we want to take this connector that comes from the power supply, and now we want to connect it to the AC. So you can see it has two little holes here. Let's connect the positive to positive, and negative to negative. Wait. From here, and now we can be able to mount it in there, like so. And as you can see, the LEDs are on, and as you can see, you plug it in the wires here, the power supply, and turn on the RC. As you can see, if we turn them off, they will shut down, but if we turn the RC on, they will light up, just like the 110 Summit. So now let's install all this. So guys, so the kit didn't come with the LEDs that goes up here. I'm gonna have to buy that. No wonder this kit was so cheap. So these two wires are red. These 4 LEDs are white. This 4 goes on the front, this 2 on red. But these 2, since I have the wheelie bar, I'm not gonna be able to mount it on the bumper. So what I'm gonna do is drill 2 holes here, where the headlights go, so at least I can use them in a good position. Or I probably could mount them up here, but I don't know. Let's see. So now let's install them on the bumper. Okay, so what you want to do now is take all your LEDs, feed them through the shock tower. Then let me just show you real quick. Take one LED and fit it in the little hole here where all the LEDs should be, and then you want to do that with the other sides. So here it's after, guys, with the LEDs on. As you can see, the front looks really amazing. It's pretty bright, and the back I just put some ground effects, so that looks pretty sick. Actually, look at that, guys. Now I can use this RC at night.